Hello, the dog does not need your help, okay? He can eat his food from his own bowl, thank you. Put it back. Put it back. Thank you. Good morning, friends. Sarah here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, like I am a mom of 5. I have an 18-year-old, 18-year-old, a soon-to-be 16-year-old, and a 14-year-old. And then we have the littles. Are you looking for something to get into? Yeah, I know. It's never-ending fun with these ones. Yeah. But it's also challenging. Oh, say hi. Hi. This one is dressed in her birthday dress from when she was 2. So I clearly bought it big. I bought this dress for her for her 2nd birthday, and it was a little bit big, and it's like the perfect size for her. Look at her. Oh, doing her thing. Okay, I'm gonna get you some breakfast. He's like, stop talking, Mom, and get me some breakfast. Can you have some of this one?
Yes, I want some of this.
I'm sweating from running around, but today is a free day, which I'm so grateful for. We sign our kids up for activities, but the hassle of always taking them out to them all the time can be so gruesome. Let me know I'm not alone on that. When I look back and I think about the time when I had my daughter signed up for swim, gymnastics, and ballet, and jazz. We had like a bunch of musical ones, which doesn't sound so bad because it was back to back. For like, there were like, I think half-hour classes or 45-minute classes back to back. Either way, and we did seasonal things, so we did soccer and anyways, long story short, I'm looking back and I'm like, how? Life just got busier, and I guess it just gets busier as things go along, you know, as time goes along and your kids get older and there's more that's expected of them depending on what they're doing. I have this random banquet area inside my laundry room, and he loves to do things like this, like climb up, get down. Like I told you, we're painting, so hubby literally has his painting things scattered all along. I see paint chips. Anyways, today I am doing some laundry. Now I had some towels that I had in the dryer. I'm gonna go ahead and switch those out, and I'm gonna throw the kids' laundry in because my oh my, they have a lot and it adds up so fast. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. And then a part of the agenda today is really just kind of like going around and doing some odd cleaning around the house, just like spot cleaning a bunch of stuff because there are just some areas that are falling apart, and that's why I didn't want to dump it on Babes to be like, oh my gosh, rush the playroom, but I was kind of like that, and I feel so bad now. Not in a mean way or anything, but I was like, oh, Babes, is it going to be done? Is it going to be done? And we're here, and it's still not done, but today's Thursday, so the aim is to have it done by the weekend, which would be really good because I am sick and tired. Like, I've already told you guys this, but I'm sick and tired of having the kids' toys circulate around the house, so I need to do better. I want to do better, and playroom is what's going to help me do better, you know? That's a solution to my problem. So that's what I'm going to do. I also have a plant. I'm doing something that feels very spring-like. I got a plant that I need to extract and put in transfer it because I've had it and it's been inside of a container. I totally forgot it was actually in a little container inside the nice vase, and it wasn't until the plant looked like it was going downhill that I was like, what's going on? And then I realized that I forgot to do this. So that's what I want to do as well. I am still homeschooling today. I kind of started a little bit, but I'm gonna need like about a solid hour for baby girl to do her learning. What are you doing, sir? Let me know if your kid is also obsessed with the laundry. Does your kid like to come in here and throw things in and press buttons? Mind you, I just need to donate the stool. And look, he tracked a shoe in here. He brought his toy in here. Like, yeah, this is why my house can't ever stay clean. Okay, please stop. That's enough. in case you guys are wondering how I'm getting anything done, baby girl's over here playing Play-Doh.
We're playing restaurant.
Oh, you're playing restaurant. Nice.
Yeah.
You should go down to your kitchen and play restaurant after.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It is now 1:30. Sorry I haven't been giving you guys like a play-by-play of what time it is, but I didn't think, you know what, honestly, I don't think it really matters. Last time I talked to you, in between there, I had a little playtime with the kids. I spoke to hubby at lunch. I paid our orthodontist bill for one of our girls, because one of our girls currently have braces on. And in case you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm preparing them lunch as I'm speaking to you. So it just looks like that: crackers, avocado, some berries. I'm gonna cut up an apple. They have a little juice box. Where's your juice box? Go get it. In between, I've been doing all those things. When Babe's called, I was trying to give him a little bit of my time. You know, it's like we talk at lunchtime, but I try not to take up all his lunch break. But sometimes when he calls, I'm also so busy, and I try not to just like dismiss him and just not want to take the time to talk to him because I'm doing stuff here. So I'm trying to create the balance and disregard that toy in the background. I regret buying that toy because it has no off button. Who does that? Who makes toys without off buttons? It's so annoying. So every time he presses it while I'm recording, I can't even turn it off. I have zero control over this stupid toy. Yes? So little one just cleaned up all this Play-Doh, but guys, I just want to point out, this table was painted last weekend. It looked so good. And then, look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna have to take one of those erasers, Mr. Clean Eraser or something, to this table. And then we have to seal it with, an epoxy or some, not an epoxy, with some kind of lacquer. That way the finish doesn't come off, because this does not look brand new. Now the table looks busted. It looks more busted than it did before we painted it, which is crazy.
Yeah.
And this is my lunch with hot pepper. Stop. While waiting for the school bus with my classmates, I get into the mood for more mischief. I think of the perfect trick. I say, hey guys, the bus already came, you missed it. When the bus finally comes, I'm tickled that I get it all to myself. Uh-oh, no one looks happy. I don't think those are very nice tricks at all.
He's so sad.
Yeah, they're sad, and that's crazy. Why would I want to be on the bus all by myself?
Because I wouldn't want to do that either. That won't be very nice.
At school, I decided to play a sneaky trick on my music teacher, Mrs. Mooney. I say, Miss Mooney, I made some strawberry candy. It's so delicious. Would you like to try some? How delightful, Tilly, Mrs. Mooney says. She has no idea that the candy is not strawberry flavored. It's cinnamon, and it's hot, hot, hot. Help! My mouth is on fire! I need water! Mrs. Mooney yells. Oh my goodness.